I heard you are going on a diet. Why not let me eat half of your meal, and in order to get half of your gaining weight? Sup fam, this is Neil, and it's 8 p.m. again today. Nature pause makes us tacit. Me and my little cat, no need to talk. More, we're all seeking for meat. It could be a bone or the fatty and juicy meat on the chicken leg. Bon appetite. Hey though, my kitty cannot get spicy once, so in case not to waste, I will be in charge for the cleaning up. Guess it would be another reason for eat more. But do you know if going on a diet is impossible? Why not bring your friends joining in and eat together? We can split our bills. We can also split our fats. But not on purpose, just to have fun with your man, not making them real fat. Short happiness will disappear in a glance. You should remember all the steps before forgetting them. Keep them as a recipe, okay? I don't refer it to your own weight, buddy. There's no say about it. Never.
Hold on, here's today's recipe for you.
Night snacks in each day build up your whole year's growth and happiness. You'll get better and smarter and fatter. Okay, down with my words. Eyes on my meal.